Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
BoraCare is a borate salt-based treatment for wood. This product is meant to treat wood to prevent damage from wood-destroying insects and certain fungi and algae. BoraCare has many uses, but we recommend it primarily to treat unfinished wood against wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. BoraCare is very useful and will provide a long-lasting protection for your wood, but it also needs to be mixed and applied in very specific ways. If the applicator does not follow proper label instructions, the results may be less effective or not effective at all. This product will begin to crystallize when the solution cools down, so hot water needs to be used to create the solution. And you need to use hot water to clean your equipment after application. BoraCare is labeled for use to treat wood. This product should not be used on soil or as a termite trench treatment. If you wish to control an active infestation around your home, check out Reclaim IT and Fipro Aerosol. Reclaim can be used outdoors to create a barrier around your home, spot treat areas where pests may be hiding, and it can even be used as a termite trenching treatment. Fipro can be used indoors to treat cracks and crevices where pests may be hiding and can even be applied directly into termite galleries. The active ingredient of Fipro spreads through contact, so affected pests can spread the product to other pests that weren't in the treated areas. Before using BoraCare, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. BoraCare should be mixed in a separate bucket before adding it to your sprayer. This product needs to be mixed with hot or warm water to ensure that the product does not begin to crystallize. You can mix BoraCare at different ratios depending on what pest you're trying to prevent. This product can be mixed at a ratio of 1:1 or 5:1 depending on your needs. For example, you would mix 1 gallon of water with 1 gallon of BoraCare, or 5 gallons of water with 1 gallon of BoraCare. Read the label carefully before mixing any product. Add the hot water and BoraCare to a bucket and mix the product thoroughly, then add it to your sprayer. You can also add a marking dye to the mix to help show where the product has been applied to prevent overlap or missing an area. BoraCare needs to be applied to nude or raw wood, which is wood that doesn't have any finish or varnish or any treatments that will prevent the chemical from soaking into the grain. Apply BoraCare with either a hand pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Use a low pressure spray to apply the product until the wood is wet. Spray the product in slow, even strokes to ensure that there is no part of the wood that's been missed. BoraCare should be applied during construction of a structure, and once the product has been allowed to dry and soak into the wood, you can apply a finish or waterproof top coat to keep BoraCare in the wood. When applied according to the label, BoraCare will be effective for many years. BoraCare not only prevents pests from consuming the wood, but it also prevents them from building tunnels over the surface of the wood. BoraCare is intended to prevent damage and protect your wood against pests, but it will not control an active infestation on its own. Typically, you'll need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust to control an active infestation. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right for more pest control guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.